Hello! Yes, it's on. Wasn't sure if it was recording or not then. If you're wondering why I'm lisping a little bit, I think there's a little bit of it left. It's because I've got new tongue piercings now. Look. So I've got 2 new tongue piercings and it's pissing it down, and it's done it twice now in the weekend. Did it yesterday, pissed it down, and did obviously doing it today. I am wearing shorts because it was sunny this morning. See? Shorts. Yellow shorts. Yes, I'm wearing yellow shorts. I've never worn yellow in my whole life so far. Only just now have I worn yellow. Oh god, I can't believe how wet it is. It's not fair. I do not like this weather at all. It's cold. And now there's people. This is why I don't vlog outside. It's really why I don't vlog outside. Too many people to judge the fact that I'm vlogging. Block it right now. I'll give you a pointer. Never ever get your tongue pierced 2 at a time at the same time. It fucking hurts. Yes. That boy was judging me because I'm vlogging. Anyway, I'm going to go now because too many people. So bye.